Shelby here, LuckyVitamin's resident cosmetologist, and I'm here today to bring you a really easy, quick, minimal makeup tutorial. So pretty much what that means to me is if I'm going to work or if I'm running errands on the weekend, I'm gonna do something like this. And this video is actually using all products that are cruelty-free or 100% vegan. Let's get into it. So I'm going to start out by priming my face, and today I'm using the Emani Perfect 10 Priming Serum. What this is gonna do is it's going to prolong the wear of your makeup. This stuff is 100% vegan. It reduces the size of your pores. You don't get any excess oils on your face. You're gonna do about 2 pumps of this, and this is gonna go all over your face. So I rub it in a little and apply everywhere my makeup's going. You're gonna wanna let this sink into your skin a little bit. Okay, so next you're gonna wanna go in with concealer, and today I am using the Zuzu Luxe concealer, and it is in the shade C7. This brand is also 100% vegan, so that's awesome. I use it mostly to cover up all dark circles on my face. You can use this to cover imperfections if you have a pimple somewhere, but this is really something that is great to just do every day. And I'm gonna place this underneath my eyes. I'm using this on my dark circles. I don't really have any blemishes on my face today, so I'm just gonna get in here with the dark circle. And next, I'm going in with my Eco Tools sponge. There's a trick about these that they do not tell you about, and that is you need to wet these things, because when you wet these things, they grow in size, and when they grow in size, it actually picks up less makeup, so you're not wasting your makeup. You're gonna bounce lightly, and you're just going to press that concealer in. And this Zuzu Luxe concealer is really great. You can definitely build this up depending on how severe your dark circles are. I'm probably gonna go in and put just a little bit more on. I sometimes like to do on my eyeballs too. This will help with the discoloration right here. And you just wanna go the same way, bouncing. Now, a lot of people like to go in and set their under eye concealer. I don't find that that's necessary with this stuff. They like to do it because they say it creases. I don't find that this creases on me, so I am not going to go in and set this today, but that is definitely something that you can do. I also like to take my concealer sometimes on the bridge of my nose, and then just a little bit on the forehead and a little bit on your chin. And what this does is this is just going to brighten up these areas of your face. I say to brighten up the parts of your face that the sun hits, so I think that helps with that. And like I said, if you guys have any stripe, pimples anywhere, or discoloration like I do right here, you can always go in and conceal that. Next, I'm gonna go in with blush, and today I'm using Zao Dark Purple 323. Guys, this blush is amazing. I love it. This is what it looks like. This is super buildable, meaning you can apply as little or as much as you need. During the day for a minimal makeup look, it's perfect. It gives you that little rosy cheek look, or you can build it up for a more nighttime look. And I'm also using an Therapeutics brush, which is a vegan makeup brush. What you wanna do is go in and swirl your brush around, and you wanna tap off any excess. Every cosmetology book under the sun is gonna tell you to smile, find the apple of your cheeks, and that's where you apply your blush. And honestly, that's not what I like doing. I find it easiest to smile, find the apple of your cheeks, And then take that blush and blend it up. And you can smile a little bit, but what this is gonna do is create a really diffused look, and you're not gonna have just a line of color coming across your cheek with this. And I also like to, I take it in circular motions on my cheeks, just for that really slight pop of color for the day. So your next thing that you're gonna wanna do is go in with some mascara. I'm actually using the Balm's Mad Lash in the shade Noir. This is a cruelty-free brand, and I love this stuff. So the applicator of this is curved, and a curved applicator actually is going to lengthen and give you that volume you want on your lashes. I love this stuff. Great rule of thumb when applying mascara is you want to start at the base and wiggle up. I also like to blink into my mascara, and this is going to help lengthen and build that volume that you're looking for. So that was easy. To finish up this minimal makeup look, I'm gonna go in with my Zao lip gloss. This is in the shade 002. And I think a lip gloss is great for work, or if you're going to the gym, or if you are going to the grocery store. It's a little pop of color. So that completes this look, guys. I hope this was really easy. I hope it was stress-free for you, and I hope you guys found it helpful. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.